My name is Gunther Glenk and I'm an assistant professor for business at the University of Mannheim. In the global effort to mitigate climate change, companies are increasingly viewed as crucial contributors to a timely transition toward a decarbonized economy. I began working on sustainable energy and decarbonization in my master's thesis back in 2015. My initial research there made me grasp the urgency and extent of the decarbonization challenge, and that sparked my interest to dig deeper. My research examines questions related to corporate transitions towards zero net emissions. Recent work has focused on the economic dynamics of sustainable energy technologies, including energy storage, electric mobility, and renewable hydrogen. Hydrogen could replace fossil fuels in many applications and become a core element of a sustainable energy supply. High production costs have so far prevented the widespread application of hydrogen, but this is now likely to change. This will facilitate the switch from fossil fuels to hydrogen and accelerate the reduction of greenhouse gases. In recent studies, my co-authors and I show that the production of hydrogen from renewable electricity is quickly becoming cost competitive, as the costs of renewable energy sources decline and hydrogen technologies improve. The common theme of my research is that it examines corporate transitions towards zero net emissions in an integrated, multidisciplinary manner. That is, I study questions related to corporate carbon management at the intersection of public policy, climate and engineering science, and business and economic fundamentals. Core to my research is to examine how technological advancements, together with public policies, can provide corporate investors with sufficient incentives to adopt sustainable energy technologies. Taking the time to think deeply about some of the most pressing challenges of our times and discussing potential solutions to these challenges with leading academics and practitioners is something that I really enjoy about my work. And it's a great privilege to be able to do that. Through my research, I hope to be able to help companies, and possibly the world at large, transition towards zero net emissions fast enough in order to prevent the consequences of a changing climate.